Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lecture we are working with Flare tool, which is really something spectacular, although it's a one-trick pony. The tool is present in Illustrator to create fantastic lens flares of the likes you would normally create in programs such as Photoshop or After Effects. However, the Flare tool creates these effects using only vector objects, not pixels, and Illustrator keeps them in an editable state, which makes them easy to adjust. So let's hop into Illustrator for creating some lens flare with Flare tool. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe to my channel for reaching to the previous lectures and click on the bell button so whenever I publish a new video, you are the first one who can watch it. Okay, now we can find the Flare tool in the toolbox here. If I hold the left key, I can select the Flare tool from here. Okay, now I press the left key on the mouse and I have a new window entitled Flare tool options. Okay, we have so many options related to the shape of the Flare tool, and now I want to customize it to reaching to my best choice. Okay, for the center, for diameter, I prefer to reduce it to, for example, 800. And for the opacity, I put it to 30. And the brightness, 50 is okay. For the rays, I change the number of the rays to, for example, 50. And the longest, yeah, that's okay. I put it to 370. And the fuzziness to 100%. Okay, for the gross in hollow, I put it to 110%. Okay, and the fuzziness in 100. And the rings, increase the paths of the rings. Number is okay, and the largest is 50%. Yeah, that's okay. And the direction is 45 degrees. Okay, now I press OK. Okay, now I rotate it. Good. And add a black background to my artboard. From here, I select the rectangle tool and add a rectangle, but I change the color to black, and in the arrange, I send it to back. That's it. I want to decrease the size of my flare. Okay. Now I want to add the effect to my flare. From here, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and select the Transform. Here, I select the Preview and put the Angle to 10 and the copies to, for example, 17. I put it to 35. Okay, that's it. And change the angle to 20, 45. I put it back to 10 degrees. Okay, now I press OK. This is a shape I created with Flare tool and use a transform effect for creating this shape. Okay, now I zoom in and you can see the details. This is vector and you can see any pixels here. You can see just the lines. Okay everyone, I hope that you enjoy creating this project. I will see you in the next lecture.